But you won't bring in my little brother. He can't eat with us.
No. Because joining other nations is why we were destroyed as a people.
I want you to know that all of us don't think like that. So don't let my brother Tazar. I love my brother. This is my brother. And that's why we're trying to fix him. He's sick mentally. And we're trying to work on him. All of us don't feel like that. You know that brother can't cause you no harm. You telling me that if I was to bring him with me to the cookout, he can't come and eat with you? The black child, black baby, bro?
No African, no Asian, no Chinese, no white man, no German, no Russian, Caucasian, no non-Israelite will ever eat with me at anything that ISUPK is having or I'm having, period.
Why would you terrorize me for saying that someone else did that I had no control over?
Because the scriptures say, prepare slaughter for his children, for the iniquity of their fathers. So, excuse me, brother. No sweat, man, no sweat. So because of the crimes that the forefathers committed against us is why I want them white babies to die.
He's got a whole history of saying hateful, murderous, and bigoted things. I get into the endnotes. That's why you should actually look at the endnotes in this book. Let me share an endnote quote. This is actually when I called into the radio show and kind of debated the man. Here's what he said to me.
Honorable for me to want to put you in your place and make my coffee, as you said. Right. You're going to be happy to make my coffee because you're going to want to live. God wants you in chains.
And they shall take them captive.
And we're going to take y'all as captives. This is why I want white people in the kingdom. This is why I want Africans in the kingdom. Because I'm not picking no grapes. And we're going to take y'all as captives.
Shall possess them.
Possess them. Right. That is your future, Mr. White Man. That's your future. You, James White, every Christian. This is not peace. This is warfare.
It was on June 30th, 2016. It was on his own show, Israelite Vibes. This next quote was from Know the Ledge Radio. Listen to this. I love Khalid Muhammad. Like, I don't think there's a person who hated white people more than Khalid Muhammad. Like, clearly, the man has got some issues. But he just believes what One West's been teaching. And it's hate. And it's not biblical, to say the least. So let's look at these sections. One is Ezekiel 37, or Nah. And let's talk about what they believe about Ezekiel 37, which is the awakening of the dry bones. And I show their reasons for why they think that's what's happening to them now. I'm going to skip this chart. I'm going to come back to it. Don't worry. Section called Elamites and Edomites Fraternizing with Other Nations. In the movie Barry, Obama's roommate is, I believe, Pakistani. So he's considered an Elamite because they do a whole table of nations thing, the One Westers do. And so that's fraternizing with other nations, but Obama's a Hamite to them.
If he coming with that African mumbo jumbo.
Meaning he's not an Israelite anyway, so they don't really care because they're all Gentiles and under their misunderstanding. And then I got a section called Hamites and Cushites.
We don't deal with the Africans.
Africans are not our people.
That's why we don't like Africans.
A section called Imposters, the Ashkenazi Jews. Talk about how they use Revelation 2:9 and 3:9. A section called No Evidence. That's part of the cover-up. Talk about how they believe a lot of conspiracy theories. A section